One sentence, 8 modalities. Watch. Food blogs give you stock photos. First bite gives you the whole story. Images, sound, video, real recipes. One sentence, one food journey. Powered by Gemini. The agent orchestrates with Gemini 3.1 Pro, generates images with Nano Banana 2, and interleaves text and visuals in a single response. Narration from Gemini TTS. Ambient sound from ElevenLabs, plus Google Places ratings.
GT Road, the lifeblood that connects Delhi to the Afghan border. Amritsar has always been the gate, a crush of bodies and engines where commerce is religion. This is not a quaint market. This is an asphalt factory that runs on sheer will. The ground here is soaked in diesel and dust. It coats the throat before you. Mid-afternoon, Amritsar's side alleys are thick with humidity and the smell of sizzling mustard oil. We're deep in the grid of the walled city, far from the tourist-choked main gate. The real action happens around the clock tower area, where partition refugees and locals have traded spices for 70 years. Here, past the cloth vendors and the cycle rickshaws, a two-wheeled cart is swamped. This isn't. Heat radiates from the black iron tower at Daba Azad, blurring the air as the sun dips over the GT road.
The last slide. That video is VO 3.1, generated from descriptions of all 5 stops. The poster is Nano Banana, vintage French lithograph style with every dish and restaurant. Download and share the whole journey with a link.
Under the metal roof of this Chinatown hawker center, the heat from 50 stoves pools in the stale air. It's loud, a chaotic percussion of heavy cleavers on chopping blocks and woks being slammed onto jet burners, the metal clanging against the ceramic supports.
Every journey saved. An interactive map that grows with each trip. Your collection of food stories from around the world. 3 Gemini models. Nano Banana 2 for interleaved text and images in a single call. Gemini 2.5 Flash TTS for narration. VO 3.1 for video, Google Places, Street View, and geocoding for real-world data, ElevenLabs for ambient sound, all on Cloud Run with Firestore and cloud storage. The deploy script is in the repo. You're looking at the live Cloud Run service right now. One sentence, 8 modalities, text, images, real photos, Street View, ambient sound, narration, video, and maps. A food journey worth taking.